In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a proxy in Brave browser. A proxy lets you route your browser traffic through another server, which can help with privacy, testing region-specific content, or meeting your organization's network requirements. Brave doesn't include a separate proxy switch inside the browser itself. Instead, it follows whatever proxy you set at the operating system level. That means, once you configure your computer's proxy, Brave will automatically use it. Start by opening your Brave browser. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. From that menu, select Settings. This opens Brave's Settings page. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click System. On the System page, there's a control that hands things off to your operating system. Click Open your computer's proxy settings. A new window from your operating system will appear. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your platform, but the options will be similar. In the proxy window, you'll usually see 2 main approaches: automatic setup and manual setup. Automatic is useful when your organization provides a configuration URL or uses a discovery method. For this tutorial, choose manual setup so you can enter the details yourself. Turn on the toggle for manual proxy setup. With that enabled, fields will appear for the address and the port. Enter the server address, provided by your network administrator or proxy service, and then the port number they specify. The address may look like a hostname or an IP address, and the port is typically a short number. Type carefully and avoid extra spaces, as even a small typo can prevent connections. If your proxy provider mentions using the same details for secure and standard web traffic, it's fine to enter the same address and port in the primary fields you see here. When you're done, click Save. Your operating system will immediately apply these settings, and Brave will start routing its traffic through the proxy you just configured. Give it a moment to take effect. If a page doesn't load, double-check the address and port you entered. It's also a good idea to confirm your proxy subscription or network access is active if you're using a paid or corporate proxy. That's all there is to it. You've opened Brave, navigated to Settings, gone to System, launched your computer's proxy settings, selected Manual Setup, turned on the toggle, entered the address and port, and saved your changes. If you ever need to stop using the proxy, you can return to the same proxy settings window and turn the manual toggle off. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.